There are several types of transmissions used in vehicles, each with its own characteristics and operating principles. Understanding the differences between these transmission types can help car owners make informed decisions when choosing a vehicle or considering transmission repairs or upgrades. Here are the main types of transmissions. Number 1. Manual transmission, also known as a standard transmission or a manual gearbox. This type of transmission requires the driver to manually engage and disengage gears using a clutch pedal and gear shift lever. It typically offers more control and direct engagement, allowing drivers to select gears according to their preference and driving conditions. Manual transmissions are simpler in design, tend to be more fuel efficient, and often provide a more engaging driving experience. However, they require more driver involvement and skill, especially when it comes to shifting gears smoothly. Number 2. Automatic transmission. Automatic transmissions, also called auto or automatic gearboxes, do not require manual gear shifting. They automatically change gears based on the vehicle's speed, load, and other factors. Instead of a clutch pedal, an automatic transmission uses a torque converter or dual clutch system to transmit power from the engine to the wheels. Automatic transmissions offers convenience and ease of use, as the driver does not need to manually engage gears. They are popular for their smooth gear changes and are often more suitable for stop-and-go traffic or urban driving. However, they generally result in slightly lower fuel efficiency compared to manual transmissions. Number 3. Automated manual transmission, AMT. An AMT is a type of transmission that combines the features of both manual and automatic transmissions. It uses an automated system to control the clutch and gear shifts, eliminating the need for manual clutch operation. However, unlike a conventional automatic transmission, an AMT retains a manual gearbox without a torque converter. It achieves gear changes by briefly disengaging the clutch, shifting gears, and then re-engaging the clutch. AMTs are often more affordable than traditional automatic transmissions and offer improved fuel efficiency. However, they can sometimes result in slower gear shifts and a less smooth driving experience. Number 4. Intelligent manual transmission, IMT, is a relatively new transmission technology that combines the convenience of an automatic transmission with the driver engagement of a manual transmission. It features a manual gearbox but removes the need for a clutch pedal. Instead, it uses sensors to detect driver input and automatically engages or disengages the clutch during gear changes. The driver still manually selects the gears using the gear shift lever. IMT offers smoother gear shifts and reduces driver fatigue in heavy traffic while preserving the fuel efficiency and control assisted with manual transmissions. Number 5. Continuously variable transmission, CVT, is a type of automatic transmission that offers a continuous range of gear ratios rather than discrete gears. It uses a system of belts and pulleys to vary the gear ratio continuously. This allows the engine to operate at its most efficient RPM, revolutions per minute, for improved fuel efficiency. CVTs provide smooth acceleration and a seamless driving experience, as there are no traditional gear shifts. However, some drivers find the lack of distinct gear changes less engaging, and CVTs may produce a characteristic rubber band effect under heavy acceleration. Number 6. Dual clutch transmission. A DCT, also known as a twin clutch transmission or a double clutch transmission, combines elements of both manual and automatic transmissions. It features two separate clutches, one for odd numbered gears and the other for even numbered gears. While driving, one clutch engages the current gear while the other preselects the next gear. This allows for lightning fast gear shifts without interrupting power delivery. DCTs provide quick and smooth gear changes, making them popular in high-performance and sports vehicles. They offer the efficiency of a manual transmission with the convenience of an automatic.